How to update Block Blast on iOS. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Block Blast on iOS. So let's get started. In order to update Block Blast on iOS, the first thing is that Block Blast usually updates itself automatically. But if that does not happen, what you can do is go to your settings, and then you need to make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi network. If not, I suggest you connecting to a strong Wi-Fi network and then upgrading it. And if you're using your mobile data, make sure you're using 5G or the fastest internet available. And then you need to make sure that you do have space in your device by going into iPhone storage. So what you got to do is go to your app store and then go to your search bar and search for Block Blast. And when you search for Block Blast, you need to find the original application of Block Blast that is made by Hungry Studio. And if your application is not updated, you'll be able to see an update button over here. So just click on update and then reload your application. And after that, you'll be able to see that all of the updates have been integrated in your game and your Block Blast has successfully been updated. So that was how you can update Block Blast on iOS. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.